Hey, what's up guys? This is Tone here, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a signature style logo on the iPad Pro with Procreate and the Apple Pencil. So, my audio video keeps messing up for this, so I don't know why that is, but if you guys know, let me know below. So this is actually me speaking over a previously recorded thing. So this is what I'm going to be showing you how to make. It's really cool, splatter-ish, kind of, graffiti-esque style signature, you know. So first thing you do is make a square 2000 by 2000 square canvas in Procreate, and then make the background whatever color you want. I choose black, and then go into brushes, inking, and then grab the dry ink brush for the textured version, which is there, and that's kind of what the texture looks like. Alright. And then if you don't want texture, go with syrup. That one's a really nice one. I use it a lot for when I'm trying to do clean stuff. Just really good non-textured brush. So yeah. Alright, so once you get into it, you're just pretty much going to want to I'd recommend that you look up graffiti signatures so you can kind of get a feel of how they do letters and how letters look when they're done with spray paint and such, because I've done a lot of graffiti myself, and that's really the way that's one thing graffiti does best, is lettering. So if you're really looking to learn how to do unique lettering and unique letters, I would 100% recommend looking into graffiti writing, as they call it. So just start off by looking up graffiti letters, graffiti signatures, stuff like that, and then you'll be able to find out, say your name is, I don't know, Rod or Leo. So then you can look up graffiti signatures and find L's and such that you can sort of remake to be your own, and mash your letters together in a way that works for you. So once you've done that, just do your thing on the iPad, or this could work on Photoshop too. And then once you have that, I would recommend, if you want to, you don't have to obviously, I like to add a little bit of drip sometimes because it looks pretty epic and it gives it even more of a graffiti look. If this is for like a professional company, a lot of them would not want drip. It doesn't work very well when condensed very small. You don't really see the drips. And then of course, if it was on like a billboard or something, it might look better, but it's just not generally seen as the way people do things to put drip on a letter logo. So just keep that in mind. And then yeah, so in this video I'm just adding the drips right now. So I think there's something with my iPad where when it records the stuff I'm doing, it's a little bit slower at parts and faster in others. So that I cannot explain. Makes no sense to me. But now that the signature is done, I'm going to add a few little splatters on the ends of words just to sort of make it look like a brush was actually there. So, kind of like, if you guys ever saw that Mickey Mouse game where, I forget, it was for the Xbox, but it was where Mickey was like playing with ink and stuff. He had these little splatters after the Mickey Mouse, and that's kind of what we're going for, just to give it that movement, you know, from letter to letter, to make it pop out a little bit better, as the client would say, make it pop. And then once you have all that together, I'm just showing you the different ways that you could have it done. And then you'll just combine all those layers down by clicking on them and then putting merge down. Alright? And then you will get rid of the background by clicking the little check mark on the right. And then settings, export as a ping. Alright? Save that. Or upload it to Drive, Google Drive, and then you can use it on Photoshop and such. Excuse me. And then here I'm going to show you just how it can kind of work as a watermark-ish sort of thing. So you'll just throw that in the corner of your art projects, or use it as a profile picture. So yeah, I'm just throwing it in the corner of this typography I did for fun the other day, like last week. Lil Uzi. Lil Uzi. Alright, so then I just sort of blended in with the art project itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys did like it. Honestly, I do. I've been working this last week, so it's just, I'm trying to keep the channel growing, you know. We're at 1,060 subs, so that's great. We're almost at 1,100, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been Tone, and peace out.